Welcome to this FX Empire review on XM, a member of the Trading Point Group. XM is a broker which was founded in 2009 and is actually regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, and the International Financial Services Commission of Belize. This is confirmed by looking at the CySEC register, where we can see xm.com is an approved domain of Trading Point of Financial Instruments Limited, which is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. We can also see on the ASIC register as well, Trading Point of Financial Instruments is registered as a licensed entity with the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. As a broker, XM offers trading on more than 1,000 different trading instruments across a variety of different asset classes such as Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, and energies. If we scroll down on their homepage, it's pretty simple to open a demo account or open a live trading account, and you can already see XM offers MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the XM web trader platform, and we'll have a look at those trading platforms a little bit later on. We can also see they offer a variety of different services. So personal account managers, video tutorials, free daily technical analysis, webinars, 24/5 help. And we'll look at more of these services as we go through this video review. You can see the different trading platforms on offer with XM and also the different instruments that are available to trade with. Trading with XM is quite interesting as they offer a variety of different trading accounts. So if we go to their accounts page, which can be found on the trading and accounts, trading account types, we can actually see the XM group licenses and account features. So you can open up a trading account with the Australian Securities and Investments Commission arm. We can also open up a trading account via the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission regulated arm as well. So two different types of trading accounts on offer. The key differences are obviously the different leverage that is available. So you can see here 500-to-1 leverage with the Australian regulated entity and 30-to-1 leverage with the CySEC regulated entity, which of course could change over time. But if we scroll down as well, there's actually quite a few different trading accounts on offer within each of those regulated entities. So for example, the XM AU trading account types, we have micro accounts, standard accounts, and the XM ultra low account. So you've got different base currency options, different leverage amounts here for different asset classes. With these accounts, maximum leverage 500-to-1 leverage. Negative balance protection spread as low as 1 pip on the micro and standard account and as low as 0.6 pips on the ultra low account. So quite a few things to take into consideration on these different accounts. So Islamic accounts are optional as well, so swap-free trading accounts are available. If we scroll down as well, we can see that XMCY, so the Cyprus regulated trading arm, again offers 3 different trading accounts: the micro account, standard account, and the XM zero account. So as we can see here on the micro and standard account, there's no commission, but with the zero accounts, there is commission per trade, but you have spreads as low as 0 pips. So quite a lot of useful information here, as well as the Islamic accounts optional as well. And if we scroll down, they also have global trading accounts, which offer higher leverage. So as you can see here, 888-to-1 leverage on these trading accounts. And again, different trading accounts on offer here as well. So micro, standard, the XM ultra low account, and there's also a share trading account here as well. Okay, so different accounts with different unique features and benefits. As you can see here as well, these 3 options are commission free, obviously with a shares account having a commission payable. So quite a few things to take in consideration with the different account types on offer by XM, making it quite useful for both beginner and advanced traders. XM also offer a page detailing the XM zero account and discusses the features available with the zero account, such as spreads as low as 0 pips. And again, lots of frequently asked questions regarding this type of trading account and how commissions are calculated. So let's have a look at some of the spread information available with the different asset classes on offer with XM. After selecting trading on the top menu and instruments, if we click on Forex trading, it gives us a lot of information available regarding the Forex markets that are available to trade with XM. Over 55 different currency pairs available, leverage up to 30 to 1 in this instance with those CySEC traded accounts, and tight spreads and no requotes. If we scroll down, we can start to see a little bit more information regarding the different accounts. So you can see here average spread information, okay, for the standard account and for the micro account. And of course for the XM0 accounts, you can see the average spreads are a lot lower there on Aussie CAD from 1 pip compared to the micro accounts, which is average spread of 3 pips. But of course on the XM0 account, there is commission payable per 100,000 units or US dollars traded, and that is $3.50 per $100,000 traded. So lots of useful information for the 3 different account types for quite a wide variety of currencies that are available to trade with at XM. Also has stocks information as well as commodities, indices, metals and energies. So if we look at the stock trading page, we can scroll down, lots of different available asset classes, which we'll also look at on the trading platform as well. US stocks, UK stocks, French stocks, and so on. And as we can see here, it gives us a lot of information on the different markets that are available to trade, the different shares available to trade, as well as the spread value, the margin requirements, swap values as well. If we click on read more, it will take us to a page with a bit more detailed information on trading that particular share class. You can see here 0 commissions, 0 fees available on stock trading. So quite useful information for stock traders as well. To look at the spread information for other asset classes, you can simply click on trading and look at different other asset classes such as commodities, for example, or indices. And again, it gives you the table of information with the different asset classes available, different spread information as well, and margin requirements. So lots of useful information for traders before they start trading with XM. If you look at their homepage here as well, we can also see on platforms available to trade on PC, Mac, smartphone, tablets, the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 platforms, which we'll look at in a moment. And they also offer a lot of research and education tools, as you can see here, a wide variety of research tools, market commentary, stock market news, Forex news, technical analysis, videos, as well as a learning center with live educational videos, webinars, platform tutorials, and a lot of research tools as well. So trading tools, Forex signals, an economic calendar, and Forex calculators. So perhaps probably the most interesting part of this is the Forex webinars. We can actually see there's quite a lot of different webinars here available to view across 19 languages, 7 days a week, with 40 webinar instructors. So here's all the different languages and obviously the schedule for those different webinars. So very, very useful for both beginner and advanced traders. If we click on the schedule, for example, the English webinars, then it gives you more detailed information in regard to the educational room. So this room, XM Live, free access for everyone. The basic room, access for validated XM accounts. And the VIP room, access for funded XM accounts. So lots of useful information there, and educational research and tools. Traders can also contact the broker in a variety of different languages, as you can see on the contact page, a variety of different languages here, 25 different languages. Here's our international locations with telephone numbers and email accessibility for any questions. There's also a live chat function at the top here, which will pop up, and you can select enter and select existing client or new clients. And once you log in with your information, you can start chatting to a customer support agent. So once you've logged into the customer support field, then simply just need to wait for one of the representatives to log in to start discussing anything, any questions you may have. So within about a minute and a half, we've been able to get access to a customer support agent, and simply just going to type in a question here. What is the maximum leverage available, for example? So that's delivered, and now we just need to simply wait for a response. Then after this, we'll head over and start looking at the XM trading platform features. So as you can see here, pretty quick to respond, and then you can engage with the customer support agent with the relevant questions that you may have. For now, let's jump over to the XM trading platform and look at some of the features available with the XM MetaTrader trading platform. So here we have the XM MetaTrader 5 trading platform for desktop. And as we can see here on the left hand side, we have the symbols that are available to trade with. We can add symbols by right clicking on the market watch window, selecting symbols, and then you'll see here all the different symbols that are on offer. So we have the Forex market separated by majors, minors and exotics. We also have CFDs and cash indices. As you can see here, France 40, German 30, spot metals, futures markets as well. And we also have CFDs on stocks, so US stocks here, EU stocks, UK, Germany, Netherlands, and so on, as well as some cryptocurrencies. So to simply add on markets, you can select the market and just press show symbol, and the market will pop up in the market watch window. Also gives a lot of useful information here as well in regards to tick sizes, tick values, swap rates as well to hold overnight positions. So you can look at the different specifications here as well, straight from the trading platform. If we look at what is available, so we can also click on show symbol, and you can see a lot of different currencies available there to trade. A lot of different indices will also pop up on the left hand side, and all we need to do is simply select the currency and drag it onto the chart. So I'm going to select euro dollar here. Multiple timeframes that we have available to look at with this XM MetaTrader platform. All we do is select view at the top, toolbars, and select timeframes, and then we can select from monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour charts. Right now we're just on the 1-hour chart, and a wide variety of indicators are available as well. We can select insert indicators, so all the common indicators such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands. We've got oscillators here such as MACD, stochastic oscillator, and so on, and some custom indicators. And there are some custom indicators available for download from the XM website as well. So lots of different functionality there in regards to putting on indicators. So we can just put on a Williams percent range, for example, 14, and that will put that on the chart. Trading functionality here, so we can see with this particular account, this MT5 account, we can see the euro dollar spread right now, just a couple of pips there. So to place a trade, we can simply use the one-click trading feature where we can click on buy. This will pop up with a disclaimer, and once you've read that and if you're happy with those terms and accept, press OK. So if we go in and press buy, that will instantly there straight away into the market. You can see it on the trade window in the toolbox on the bottom, straight into that trade. You can see here no stop loss, no take profit. To add that in, we can simply hover over the trade and the horizontal line where the entry is. We can left click, hold down, and then we can drag down a stop loss to a price level that we're happy with. Now you can see here the stop loss has been populated in this trading window at the bottom. We can also put in a target price by left click and holding down on the entry level and dragging it up to your chosen target level. And you can see here, there's your target level, and that's also populated here in the take profit window. We can close this trade by simply right clicking on the trade and selecting close position. We can also trade to the short side either by clicking the one-click trading function or right click on the chart, selecting trading and new order, and then this will give you some more functionality such as setting a pending order with sell stops and sell limits at different volumes. So a variety of order functionalities available. If we use the one-click trading feature here and click the sell button, straight away that's already in the market. And now this time We can put a stop loss and a take profit in the same way, only this time, because we're looking to short on this particular example, we can left click, hold down and drag up to put in a stop loss, and that's pre-populated the stop loss box here at the bottom. We can left click, hold down the entry price and drag it down to put a target price, which has also been populated. We can right click on the order and we can modify the order. So if we want to modify the stop loss or take profit levels or do a partial close, you can put a trailing stop loss on it here as well. So, lots of different functionalities here. In this instance, I'm just going to close that position. So quite simple to use, a different range of asset classes available on the left hand side where you can see the spread information as well as the specification information as well in regards to swap values directly from the platform, and a wide variety of indicators and timeframes which are available to use. That is the XM MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Now let's have a look at the XM mobile trading app. So here we have the XM mobile trading app, which is unique and proprietary and available for download on Android and iOS operating systems. As we can see here, we have a list of options on the home page, my account settings, account history, for live account holders, members area, deposit and withdrawals. If we go to the back, we can see we have a quote window here with different available instruments such as the euro, pound and so on. We can see the spread information here as well. So a couple of pips there on the euro, 3 pips there on pound, for example, or ranging from 2 to 3 pips. To add instruments to this watch list, we can select instruments on the middle tab here at the bottom, and we've got a selection of Forex markets, CFDs, spot metals, cash indices, futures. We also have CFDs on stocks and cryptocurrencies. So let's say, for example, we want to add on an index, and let's go for the Netherlands 25 cash. We can select the plus button, and this will then add it to the watch list if we select plus again. So now that is done, you can add in more things to your watch list as well if you like. And if we go back to the quote window, we can see Netherlands 25 cash there is at the bottom. So you can add in different things to the watch list. If we want to trade a particular asset class, we can actually click on the market we are looking to trade. So let's just stick with the euro against the US dollar. So click on this market, it pops up with a chart and a trading ticket. If we scroll down, we can actually see it will give us information on any open positions we have, any pending orders we have on this instrument, as well as instrument details such as contract sizing, currency of the market you're looking to trade, swap values for long and short, as well as the different sessions and trading times for this particular asset class. So if we go back and if we go to the chart here, we can select different time frames. We can select D1, and this will give us options such as minute charts, 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts, 4-hour charts, and so on. And we can scroll left and right on the charts. We can zoom in and out as well. For more chart functionality, you need to turn your mobile to landscape version, and then this will open up more functionality for the chart, so we can start looking at the candles. We can look at bar charts, for example. We can also start adding in indicators, so we can add in Bollinger Bands. You can see Bollinger Bands on the back there. We can add in a MACD, for example, and we've added MACD in the back. So quite good functionality. We can zoom in, zoom out, zoom in and out, which is actually quite useful. So really clean functionality here, really clean charts, useful for traders on the move. Different shapes we can add in as well, so ellipses, trend lines, retracement levels, and so on. So lots of different functionality as well. You can also have a pointer here as well, which will give you the values at a specific time. So price values of the indicators, the open, high, low, and close values. So lots of good functionality here on these on the mobile trading app. Press X here, and we can simply go back. And then from this point here, if we want to trade on a market, we can simply select the market, such as euro against the US dollar. We can either click the plus button here, which will give us a new market order or a new pending order, or we can use the one-click trading feature by clicking buy, which will open up a ticket. We can either put in a stop loss or a take profit or both or neither. We can adjust the volume as well of the quantity we're looking to trade. We can use pending orders. So in this example, we'll just select market order and we'll confirm that. So I just bought the euro. So if we go back to the home screen, under orders, we can now see there's the euro dollar trade. And if we click on this, we can actually see what the volume is, what the current profit and loss is. Right now there's no stop loss, so we can add in a stop loss at a different price level. So just scroll down here, modify order. So that's been modified and now we have a stop loss in place. We can also add in a take profit. We can go back in and add in a take profit as well. And click on modify order. To close this particular buy order, we can select on the trade, click on partial close, and we can simply close the order. And now that has been closed and no open positions. If we go back to the quote window, we can select another market such as pound against the US dollar, and this time we can select the sell button and this will pop up another ticket. Only this time we can actually put the stop loss in place before we even place the actual trade. We can also put a take profit in place as well. So that is all ready when we click sell, and if we click sell here, click confirm order. So that has just gone through, selling pound against the US dollar. And as you can see on the chart, you can see the open positions here, pound against the US dollar. We can click on that, and this will give us the options to adjust the stop loss, take profit. We can also do a partial close here as well, and we can close the trade fully. So now that has been closed, and now there are no open positions. And if we go to the orders window, you can see there's no open positions or pending orders. So really unique and interesting mobile trading platform via XM. Really interesting charts as well and indicators, nice clean functionality. So that sums up this FX Empire review of XM. We hope you found this to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.